Yeah, starting from the first game in fact, I thought that we were gradually improving. Mang game we all saw the coach coming with his unknown tactics and guys got playing with 8 defenders.
Surprise.
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 Where's now? Second game uzamile kuyilungisa wayilungisa lineup. We find ourselves scoring a goal, equalizer so probably 1 point. So we thought that the coach was improving. The next game again there was an improvement whereby we could see first game and second game we found ourselves conceding within first 10 minutes or so. Yeah, and then come that game, Spumile and clean sheets, Google 10 minutes. So that's the positive and it's a time. But coming to today's game, in fact, I'll give credit to Canada. Number one, match analysis abayenzile, ababonile ukuthi the game we wanted to win against in South Korea. We won it on the right wing side. Yeah, so babonile ukuthi iwinga lethu lelaka right, more especially thanda ukhatha in. So babonile ukuthi asilenzeni asiliblock la in the middle of the park,
They were actually overloaded that side actually. Yeah.
But overloaded. Unfortunately, if we had a clever coach, bekazoba nalento lokuthi okay, as in let me keep my wingers as wide as possible. Bahaki line, you know what I'm saying?
And be creative in the middle.
Exactly. To because of angithi bona ba cremile ukuthi untwana uthanda ukhatha in. So I think mina ngimchange hake line while bona bathi bayamgada there's a Mufokeng who's gonna be making those runs.
We actually saw that in the first 20 minutes where Mufokeng was influential in adding those crucial touches in close to the box, but we were not clinical going forward actually.
We were not clinical going forward actually. The reason behind that is because of we actually didn't have a number 8. We had 2 6s. One had to take it upon himself to have our number 8, which was Dave's, and I symbolic my patches eventually but which actually forced to bani Obufukeng ukuthi azozcollectela ibhola and ukuthi masakala collectela ibhola akasekho umuntu okhona ku number 10 of which Mufukeng the only thing I dingile today bekuyi supplier, so the coach should have eliminated uSithole or yena uMkwena,
just kill one
afaka uMbatha kube khona number 8 ozokhona ukusupply uMfukeng. So I'm disappointed ngoHugo Prosper uMfukeng ku level cup akamarketanga, I'm very much disappointed.
But so eventually he did make that sub, but it was a surprising sub actually. That was, it seems negative to everything actually that we were hoping for. And looking at the second half, we were much a different team that was playing from the first half. We were having a position, but we were not doing anything with that position. Do you think that this is where we got it wrong? Because now even to hold it, to delay the sub, because we had a sub in 45 minutes, but the second subs were coming in the 80-something minutes.
Yeah, the coach just got it wrong. First up, because of now we are playing with 2 6s and an 8. Asena number 10 now. Oh,
They were switching with Daves.
Yeah, but being a span, no, unfortunately we just have to call a spade a spade. Today's game just needed there's a number 8 for a reason that came in, a number 6 for a reason, and also there's a number 10 for a reason. So the coach just got it wrong. Unfortunately, we lapse of concentration. I do believe I'm not sure if Bekuwe or Okon who made that header. I think it's Mbogazi. It's Okon. Yeah, between the two men. Basics. Let's not. As I would say, I will play, but but I need more special. I'm man of the match. Roland Williams, Mbogazi, no Kulu Somutao. Great game from Machita. Oh, Bazo Boya, Atlak Buffet, but first time is fair knockouts. We take it. So 2030 we will qualify. So what?
Thank you, Stoshman.
Thank you for it.